Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video on some Black Friday deals. Today we got some technology in the audio department. Starting off our list, we have some Sony WH-1000 XM3s. These are probably the best wireless Bluetooth headphones you can get on the market right now. They also have Google Assistant, which is really nice, and the nice copper accents along with the black matte black design. It looks really nice. So yeah, as I said, amazing sound quality. People say these are even better than some Bose headphones, and currently they are $70 off at $279, and they're originally $350. So highly recommend these. I've seen videos on these. USB-C charging, amazing active noise cancellation. You can't go wrong. If you have the money, definitely go pick those up. So coming at number 2 on our list, we have some Beats. I don't normally recommend Beats, but these have a great deal right now. They're $150 off. They're normally $350, and right now they're $200. So these are the Beats Studio wireless noise canceling headphones. Come in several colors, but yeah, if you like Beats and you want some free Apple Music for 3 months, get that deal as well. I haven't personally reviewed Beats on the channel, but I'm hoping to do those in the future, review some of those in the future. So if you like Beats, go pick up a Studio pair here. I know these are recommended by most people. They got really good reviews as well. So moving right along, we have another pair of Beats by Dre, wireless black, currently at $89, so under $100. You cannot usually find Beats for under $100, so really good price here. These are the old model. They have a wire connecting them, so if you're into that, go for it. If you're not, you can also check out the newer model here, which those don't have wires. Several colors, so saving $110 here. Recommend it. Go pick them up. Last on our list are the Sony WH-CH700N. These are some premium Sony headphones, currently $110 off, only $90. Sony, as you know, makes great headphones. If you want them, go pick them up. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. You can also check out some AirPods. They're currently on sale here for $139. You can save $20 if you're into AirPods. Go pick them up. I don't know, up to you. I'm not the biggest fan, but so guys, that's going to be it for the video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all that good stuff. Go check out the podcast, as I mentioned earlier in my previous videos. Go check it out. Me and Tim doing some great content over on my podcast, talking tech, all that good stuff. So guys, go give it a listen. Go follow me on Twitter. See you guys in the next upcoming Life Made Easy video.